Yes, Norwich!
The Killamonjambo guys are on stage and they know exactly what tonight's vibe is all about.
Yeah, they're always full on and tops off with Killamonjambo and sound. So let's jump in and join this party.
For a while, met a man and he said, everything is gonna be just fine. You got to push on through and you find a way. But just not take a seat, grab a glass, my friend. We rush away our troubles with a bottle of rum. One, two, three, four, 5 glasses down. The bottle's getting low, but my troubles are drowning out. I hardly remember yesterday. Fill up my glass, so I'll be on my way. Everything is gonna be just fine. You got to push on through and you find a way. But just not take a seat, grab a glass, my friend. We wash away our troubles with a bottle of rum. Thank you very much, guys.
Yes, Norwich!
I've skanked, I've danced, I've drank, I've had a really great time.
Killamonjambo. If you want proper ska, reggae, upbeat, it's...
So have you not heard of Franco Fraze? Because obviously he's headlining tonight. Not heard of it at all.
Honestly haven't. I apologise, I really haven't.
No, you don't need to apologise, obviously, but you've come in here, you've discovered 2 new bands today, and you've got
I'm
another
hoping
one.
to like, get a third one in as well.
What have you made of the other bands? Say Killamonjambo, you like them?
Madness.
You've been skanking.
Oh yeah, it's all great.
How do you skank, by the way?
Oh, like this.
That's hideous, that's hideous.
You do it then, come on. I am in
You like that?
than you.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you skank. But very quickly, I think I've lost sight. Any idea where he is?
Thank you, Jake. There we go, a man to always get people dancing. Now, 18 months ago, we were on this very balcony. In fact, we were on this, very comfortable red sofa. Well, with a heavy dose of funk, ska and reggae, Killamonjambo know exactly how to do it. Warning, this next clip probably contains semi-naked men. Killamonjambo, guys.
Hello.
Thank you. Well, parts of Killamonjambo, anyway, not all are here. This is Jamie, this is Bramley, this is George, and this is a little bit, sorry, Johnny. It's not feeling, come on, particularly well. Guys, 18 months ago, we sat outside on the balcony on those lovely plush red leather sofas, and we talked about some very exciting news. You had signed a record deal. It was going to be massive. How is the red carpet going?
We're yet to find it.
What has happened? What has happened in those last 18 months?
Yeah, band members have had children. We've been writing a lot of stuff as well.
Actually, band members' wives have been having children. They've been firing them out like bullets. It's disgusting. So that's held us up a little bit. But actually, the signing to Love Records is still on. They want us to send some stuff to them within the next couple of months for an EP that's coming out this year. So look out for Killamonjambo 2017 EP.
Yes. This show tonight is a very special show. Franco's headlining, of course, but this is very much a homecoming show for you guys too, and is a reverse of a show that happened just before Christmas. Tell us a little bit about that Ban and Barrel gig, because I heard it went off.
We had a Christmas gig. We decorated. We had a snow machine. We had a balloon drop. God, we've always wanted a balloon drop.
You have made it.
There was at least 15 balloons at least.
I think at least 15 people noticed. It was awesome. It was sold out. Franco Phrase, Hobo Go-Go.
Big up Franco Phrase. Say that right now.
It's kind of a nice arrangement we had with Franco Phrase. Like, he supported us that night as kind of a favour, and we're returning the favour tonight for him. So it's a really nice bit of like industry barter going on. It's really friendly.
Does that represent a little bit about what the scene locally is about here in Norfolk? Everyone gets together, they support each other, they play to each other's fans, they get everybody involved, because that's exactly what's happened tonight. It's a sold out show tonight. You feel like
it's all about love, man.
Exactly. It's a really like supportive environment, and the Norwich and the Norfolk music scene has got to be one of the best scenes in the whole country.
And because it is fairly small compared to others, I think there's the whole, like you say, bands know bands, and everyone gets on, and yeah, it's a nice friendly environment.
I was looking at some ticket stubs only last week, and in 2007 I saw you played a show at Epic. I had the ticket stub, and I saw on the bill that you were supported by a certain Ed Sheeran. Now, he's done nothing, precisely. But do you think that it doesn't matter where you come from, you get the right support, you plug away enough, you've got the tunes, then it is easily possible to take this all further?
Yeah, I think so. You have to have, drive, which we find every now and then, and ambition. We're always ambitious. We know we can write good songs, and we just want to push that further. We're supported by loads of people. Our manager Paul,
doesn't let us write bad songs.
Doesn't let us write bad songs. He quality checks them all. But yeah, no, it's brilliant.
10 years in the same group, give or take one or two horn players.
One or two changes. One or two changes, and a drummer.
How is that? Is that like, does that wear on you a little bit?
It's a big part of your life.
Yeah.
It is massive. 10 years is a long time, but you wouldn't do it if you didn't want to.
I've got a tattoo.
You've got a Killamonjambo tattoo.
Get it out.
Can we see
Get
that?
it out.
Can we see that tattoo, John?
He's permanently Killamonjambo.
Also, do you spend your spare time looking at old ticket stubs?
That's a very strange hobby.
Don't know if we can just point that to the camera. How much pain did you go through for that? I mean,
To be honest, I really didn't know very much.
right.
It's because I'm so manly.
Not as much pain as he's in now because he's so ill.
South Bramley on the trumpet, everyone.
listen, we talked a little bit earlier about what is happening this year, but we have got another album in the pipeline, the EP as well. And we know there's that tie-in with La Brass Banda. You are jetting back to Europe to do some shows this year.
It's been spoke about.
Okay, okay. I've seen the photos of some massive shows you've played recently. What is it like stepping out in front of not just the hundreds, but the thousands of people that are there to watch you?
Terrifying.
I prefer it.
Yeah.
I prefer going out to more people than less people.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
There's way more energy in the room. Like, it's a massive buzz. What are you doing, Johnny? It's
Yeah.
an enormous buzz. It's
Kind of
just,
fun when
you
we
can't
do
beat it.
And
And it's addictive as well. Like,
Yeah.
we want more of that.
Yeah, it's almost, you know, if there's maybe 30 people in the room, it's like, oh God, I can see individual people and I'm scared of what they're thinking. If there's a lot of people, you're just kind of like, it looks like a bit of a mess, really. I can't see much, and you just get on. So, yeah, definitely the bigger shows, and it's a massive buzz. So, yeah.
Thank you so much for letting us jump in tonight. Johnny, I really do hope you feel better sometime soon. But if people want to keep an eye out for Killamonjambo stuff, it will be all over social media.
Absolutely.
It will be on the websites, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Cheers. Cheers. Thank you.
Cheers, man.
Let's do, pump.
Do the bumpy thing.
Bumpy thing. There we go. Right, and if you liked the stuff you get from Killamonjambo, here are Mustard TV's most recent ones to watch.
So it turns out I should have gone Oxford, should have gone Cambridge, should have shown promise, should have listened to my teachers, dropped my dreams, worked hard and stayed in college. Be a teacher, an agenda, outdated policies and with lack of knowledge. I can speak for us all when I say respect. That's enough of your, I'm not trying to offend anyone. I'm just a realist. I'm not trying to protect anyone. I'm just trying to make you feel that maybe if I was a little better looking, I could be a pop star.
Hi, my name's Jake. You're watching Mustard TV, and I'm living the dream.
Yes, Norwich!